Friends, I am Mathiazhagan from Department of Computer Applications. So today I have explain for the types of network topology. So network topology, it is the most important of in the computer networking. So types of networking topology, it is the network topology refer to the arrangement of the different elements like nodes, links or devices in a computer network. It defines how this is the component are the connected and interact with each others. So understanding the various types of the network topologies helps in the designing efficient and robust networks. So common types including the bus, star, ring, mesh and tree topologies, each which it is the own advantage and disadvantages. So in this article we are going to discuss different types of the network topology, their advantage and disadvantage in detail. So types of network topology, the arrangement of the network that compress nodes and connecting the line via sender and receiver is referred to as a network topology. The various network topologies are point-to-point topology, mesh topology, star topology, bus topology, tree topology, hybrid topology. So point-to-point topology. So point-to-point topology is a types of a topology that's a work on the functionality of the sender and receiver. It is the simplest communications between the two nodes, in which one it is the sender and the other of the receiver. So point-to-point provide a high bandwidth. So point-to-point topology. Device 1, device 2. It is the network topology. Types of network topology. Mesh topology. In a mesh topology, every device is connected to the another devices via a particular channel. In the mesh topology, the protocol used are the AHCP, HALA configurations protocol, DHCP, dynamic host configuration protocol. So every device is connected to the another via dedicated the channel. The channel are known as a link. So suppose the n number of the devices are connected with each others in a mesh topology. The total number of the ports that are required by the each devices is n1. In the figure n, there are the 5 devices connected to the each others. So hence the total number of the ports required by the each devices is the 4. The total number of the port required, it is the formula of the n star, it is the n minus 1. Suppose n number of the devices are connected with each other, this is the mesh topology, then the total of dedicated link requirement of the n to t. So it is the formula for example n, it is the n minus 1 divided by 2. So it is the based on the each network links we have a required. Types of network topology. So communication is the very fast band with the node. It's the mesh topology. Mesh topology is the robust. The faults is diagnosed easily. Data is reliable because of the data is the transferred among the devices through a dedicated channel or link. Provide the security and privacy. Disadvantage of the mesh topology: installation and configurations are difficult, and the cost of the cables is the high. As bulk ringing is the required, hence the less number of the devices. So the cost of the maintenance is the high. The common example of the mesh topology is the internet backbone. So where the various internet services provider are connected to the each others via dedicated to the channel. This topology is also used in the military communication system and air fast navigation systems. So for more, refer to the advantage and disadvantage of the mesh topology. Next one is the star topology. It is the star topology. All the devices are connected to the single hub through a cable. This hub is the central node and all other nodes are connected to the central node. The hub can be passive in the nature, for example, not an intelligent hub such as a broadcasting devices. So at the same time as the hub can be intelligent, known as the active hub. So active hub has the represented them. So coaxial cable or RJ45 cable are used to connect the computer. The star topology, many popular internet LAN protocol are used by the CD, collision dedication CSMA carries into massive access. So it is the system 1, system 2, system 3, system 4. It is connected for the hub. A star topology having a four system connected to the single point of the connections, for example of hub. So advantage of this star topology: if n devices are connected to the each others in a star topology, then the number of cables required to the connected them is the n. So it is the easy to set up. So each device required only one port. For example, to connect to the hub, therefore the total number of the port required is the n, is the robot. So if one link fails only, that is the link was affected, and that is the use of the this type of topology. So each two fault identification and fault isolations. Star topology is the cost efficient as they use inexpensive coaxial cable. So disadvantage of this topology: so if the concentrate of the hub on which is the whole topology release fails, the whole system will the crust down. The cost of installation is the high. So performance is based on the single concentration, for example of high. A common example of star topology, it is the local area network. In the office, we are all the computer are connected to the central hub of the topology. Is also used to the wireless network, where all the devices are connected to the wireless access point.